Good morning, and welcome to this special edition of Wake Up California, in which we will be discussing and reporting on some issues in our environment and how it all relates to each and every one of you watching the show at home. Now, reporting to us live in Irvine, California, is Josh Frio covering the Solar Decathlon 2015.
Thank you, Paul. As many of you already know, there is a movement to make durable, stylish, practical, comfortable, and storm-friendly solar homes that do not need any outside power. These homes were designed in response to the peril destruction of Hurricane Sandy. This year's Solar Decathlon was held yesterday, October 18th, right here in Irvine, California. 14 teams were presented, composed of 23 colleges and 5 different countries. Each of one has the objective to build the most affordable, attractive, and efficient solar-powered home, as National Geographic
Thanks
put.
so much, Joshua. Now over to our environmental specialist, Colin.
All right, Colin. So, in your professional opinion as a world-renowned environmental specialist, what do you see as benefiting and not benefiting the environment on this issue?
Well, homes these days can be destroyed by hurricanes and other weather problems, including climate change. These homes will be able to sustain themselves in weather disasters. Moreover, these homes are environmentally friendly because they have solar panels and don't use up electricity.
Thanks, Colin. Now over to our economist, Matt
I'm
Lanigan.
Colin, and we have an economist and inventor, Matthew Lanigan, on set with us today. Tell me, Matt, what are economic impacts of houses on the economy? Are they cheap, or will they have financial burden for many?
Well, although the solar homes are relatively expensive, there actually are a few homes that are less than $500,000. There are even a few homes that are less than $200,000. One home in particular that's extremely inexpensive for what it is a home that's built by Western New England University. It was sold for only $120,000 and was wrapped in fiberglass in order to protect from debris, and it also was utilized exclusively solar energy to power it.
Oh wow! What makes all these homes so expensive?
Well, the reason why they're so expensive is because it is solar technology and it is kind of in its infancy in terms of being used in aesthetically pleasing homes. So in order to have proper architecture and an energy efficient home, it is kind of a difficult pair to make affordable.
All right, that's great. All right, that was Matthew Lanigan, and I'm Colin Salvato signing off.
Thanks, Matt. Now over to homeowner Joe.
I'm Paul here, interviewing Joe, a 5-year homeowner. And Joe, so let's just get right into this. How does this affect you as an average homeowner? And do you predict that these solar energy homes will become more common in the next decade?
Well, I think I'd address that latter half of that question first, because one thing people have brought up for a long time is solar energy going to be effective enough to become more common just for the average resident and just the average citizen in general. But one of the main reasons I think it will is because it's actually surprisingly affordable. In addition to that, it's a renewable resource. So unlike a fossil fuel like oil or electricity or something that's more commonly utilized, solar energy is one, going to be less expensive just because you're utilizing the sun's energy, but it's also going to be more easy to attain. In addition, as a homeowner, it affects me because when I'm looking at buying a new home, I can look, okay, am I going to have to pay for an electric bill by buying a home that's going to be electrically powered, or am I going to be, okay, maybe this house is $20,000, $15,000 more expensive, but if it's solar powered, it might actually pay off in the long run just because it's a renewable resource.
Okay.
Thanks, Joe. Now reporting live from the Philippines is Brian.
This is Brian McShane reporting live from Manila in the Philippines. As you can see, we are getting some terrible weather out here as a result of impending Hurricane Kapu. The natural disaster is believed to be the first of many in a global reflex to the excessive use of fossil fuels, as well as the extreme output of carbon dioxide into the Earth's atmosphere. It acts like a blanket, insulating and warming the globe itself. The fight against global warming is not a lost cause, however, because citizens of the globe are becoming smarter and getting solar-powered homes that are springing up all over the world, reducing the carbon footprint of humans significantly. This is exciting news, knowing that people are taking a step to make Earth a healthier place to live again. Nations such as the US and Iceland are utilizing this clean energy, harnessing enough energy to power millions. College students from 5 different countries competed to build the best solar home, with the Stevens Institute of Technology from Hoboken in New Jersey winning it all. They won much more than the prize that day, though. They won the ability to say that they were one of the first to help solve our global energy crisis.